have the silos, and if the right hand knows what the left hand's doing. This is a big deal for leaders to understand what's going on, but also for their people to have a shared understanding of where they are, where they're going, and at some level, how they're going to get there. So this we want not to have happen. So let's talk about what do we do to ensure that it doesn't. Because at the end of the day, ignorance is neither bliss or an excuse.
You're a competent leader, that you have their best interest in mind, or at least they perceive you have their best interest in mind, and the team starts to flow. Right? One of the things that we were talking about emotional intelligence is how you make people feel.
You're not telling them exactly how to get there, right? We're empowering them. And then we're helping them visualize what that end state should look like. That's the command, that's the way to provide clarity to our folks. Purpose, some general direction, general concepts, and then what does right look like all the way at the end, on the other side of the hill. I'm going to let you read this. This is coming directly from the Harvard Business Journal. They're pretty smart people. I like to say I went to the Harvard of Maryland. It's called Frostburg. But then people said, you know, the Harvard of Maryland is Johns Hopkins. And they were right. So I didn't go to the Harvard of Maryland. But this, I think, really helps you to see that this is not just to be used in the
Easy for you to remember too,
Does that mean that hard names?
What was Horace and what was Lucy? My kids.
Region, right? Yeah.
Very specific to that, exactly to that region.
He said that's what he knows. That's what my person is.